Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for a show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jamelis, but I had.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be putting on some individual lashes. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this right here, please be sure to keep watching and let's get right into the video. So for today's video, we're going to need some tweezers, the individual lashes, and some eyelash glue. This one has the eyelash glue in here, so hopefully it works. So yeah, so this is the Sassy individual flared eyelashes. This is what the lashes look like, and it has some instructions at the back. So step 1 is to grab an individual false lash with tweezers. Dip the base of the eyelash into the adhesive. Step 2 is starting at the outer corner, place a single false lash on the base of your natural lashes with the tweezer. And step 3 is to hold each lash into place for a few seconds and allow the glue to dry. So I'm just gonna open it and we can get started right away. So this is what it looks like once it's opened. This is the glue. Okay, so the glue seems to be dried. So I guess I'm just gonna use some hair glue because that's what I normally use to put on my eyelashes. Okay, so since the glue is dried out, I'm just gonna go in with this quick super bond hair bonding glue. Is this safe? Probably not, but I mean, so I'm just gonna place some glue inside here. This should be enough. Now I'm just gonna take the tweezer. Okay, so I took a fan off. I'm going to dip it into the glue. So we have just a pinch. So what I'm gonna do is just hold my eyelid up like this, and I'm just going to place okay, so that's the first one. Let's move to another piece. Okay, this is the second one. So this is what it looks like so far. And I'm just gonna continue adding pieces until I feel like my eyelash is full enough. If you want yours to be thicker, you can always just continue adding pieces, but this is what we used so far. Now I'm just gonna sort of press the false lashes into my natural lash. I'm gonna give that a moment to dry, but this is what it looks like so far. So here is the comparison. And I'm going to start working on the other eyelash. Okay guys, so I just added some to the next side and I'm tired. They don't look perfectly identical because I feel like I mixed up the sizes quite a bit. This is what we have remaining. I may just go ahead and add some more later, but I think this is good enough for now. So here is the results.
Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jamel.
Okay guys, so that was the results. I really like them. I'm gonna wear them for as long as I can, and I'll probably do a follow-up video stating how I clean them and how long they last, etc. So yeah, I really love the way that it turned out. It feels like I'm not even wearing anything on my eyes. Hopefully they last long so I can keep doing this, because I feel like if it lasts long then it will be more effective than wearing a falsie every time I do makeup. So yeah, this is the feel. You can apply it over your eyelash as well, but I feel like it just looks more natural if you apply it under your eyelashes. As you guys can see, it looks smooth. I may need to clean my eyelids quite a bit, but this is what they look like. They feel comfortable.
No keys, beat it. She for the street, need. Only one she got hit at the spinning. I feel a little rich this week. To influence my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me. I need she needs just a Glocky.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you're all notified every time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.